Proverbs 9 starts with wisdom personified once again. And then as we scroll down just a little bit, verse 7, it says, anyone who rebukes a mocker will get insult in return. I don't know if you've ever noticed that in your own life. And anyone who corrects the wicked will get hurt. So what's the takeaway? Verse 8, don't bother correcting mockers. They will only hate you. But look at what he says here. But correct the wise, and they will love you. Instruct the wise, and they will be even wiser. Teach the righteous, and they will learn even more. So we see this fundamental difference between a wise person and a foolish person. A wise person listens to rebuke, listens to instruction. A foolish person just does whatever he or she wants to do and ignores instruction. And then look, this should look familiar. Verse 10, the fear of the Lord is the foundation of wisdom. We read that in chapter 1 of Proverbs. And knowledge of the Holy One results in good judgment. And you can see how this connects to those earlier verses, because if you fear God, you will listen to him. And then when you listen to him, you will have good judgment. Now, here at the end of this chapter, we're going to see that folly is personified, right? So we had wisdom personified, and now we have in verse 13 a woman named Folly, and she's brash, and she's ignorant, and she doesn't even know it. And see the difference between her and the wisdom that we've been reading about in the last couple of chapters. And he says at the end, little do they know, the people who listen to folly, little do they know that the dead are there in her home. Her guests are in the depths of the grave. So once again, listen to the woman wisdom, and do not listen to or follow the woman named Folly. So you're ready to read chapter 9. We'll see you tomorrow for chapter 10.